75% of my digital product sales did not come from my own audience. They came from someone else's. No ads, no viral content, no massive following, just one affiliate partner. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I used affiliate marketing to sell my digital product, the strategy, the structure, the mistakes that I made so that you don't have to. If you have a digital product that is not selling the way that you want to, this might be the missing piece. Let's get into it. So what is affiliate marketing? Well, it's simple. Someone else promotes your product to their audience, and when they make a sale, they get a commission. You don't pay for ads. You don't need a massive following. You just need the right partner with the right audience. Here's why this works so well for digital product creators. Number one, you're borrowing trust. Their audience already knows, likes, and trusts them. So when they recommend your product, that trust then transfers over to you. Number two, you only pay when you make money. There's no upfront ad cost, no risk. Commission is only paid once a sale is made. And number three, it scales with you. One affiliate with an email list of 10,000 can do more for your sales than posting content for months for your following of 500. This is leverage. And if you're a small creator, this is how you compete. Let me show you exactly how I structure my affiliate program. So I sell my signature course, KTP, also known as Knowledge to Products. It helps service providers create, price, package, and launch their digital products in 30 days. So my commission structure is 50%. Every time an affiliate makes a sale, they receive $248.50 paid automatically to them through StampStore. Now, why 50%? Well, digital products have no inventory, shipping, or fulfillment costs. The margin is high, so I can afford to be generous. And the higher commission motivates the affiliates to actually promote. Here's the key. I didn't just hand them over a link and say, good luck. I created an affiliate folder with everything that they needed: the affiliate agreement, swipe copy for emails, a quick checklist, and social media assets. The easier you make it for them to promote, the more likely they will. Now, here's where most people get stuck. They think that they need to find influencers or people with a massive audience. My first affiliate was actually a friend and former business partner. I helped his business create curriculum. I have spoken at his events. Also, we were part of a book collaboration with 30 other speakers. That relationship was built on trust rather than follower count. He had an email list of over 10,000 subscribers and an online community of over 17,000 people who were interested in public speaking. And speakers, they need digital products to sell on stage to their audience and to build authority. So the alignment was there. Here's what we did. I hosted a 45-minute webinar to his audience. He promoted it to his audience. I showed up, I taught, I answered questions, and then we dropped his affiliate link at the end. That one webinar brought in more sales than my initial launch. 75% of my digital product sales came from one partner and one email list that wasn't mine. If you want the full breakdown of how I hit 10K in digital product sales with affiliates playing a major role, watch this video right here. I'll also link it in the description. Now, let me keep it real with you. It wasn't perfect. So here's what I learned. Mistake number one, not enough promotion time. My affiliate would promote our live events 3 to 4 days before the event, and that's just not enough time. I always tell my clients you want to give yourself 2 weeks or minimum of 10 days to promote a live event and to promote it 7 different ways. People need enough time to see it a few times, to check their calendars, and to actually commit. What I do differently, I would require a minimum of 10 days of promotion before the live event, and I would put it inside the agreement. Mistake number two, no promotion standards. And that is my fault. He promoted it to his email list, but there were no social media posts, no flyers, no countdown to the live event. So what I noticed was the signups were low in comparison to the size of his email list. What I do differently, I would create a promotion checklist for email as well as social media. I would also ensure that they use all the assets and materials inside the affiliate folder, making it easy but a requirement. And mistake number three, audience alignment wasn't perfect. Now, his audience needed digital products, but many of them were not at an income level where a $497 investment felt easy. And I only know this because I come from selling high ticket coaching ranging from 5K to 15K packages. Now, if they were better aligned, our conversions would have been higher. What I do differently is I would vet the audience before partnering. I would ask, are these people already investing in their business? Are they actively seeking solutions to their problems? Because affiliates can drive traffic, but the wrong audience still will not convert. So if you want to use affiliate marketing to sell your digital products, here's where you need to start. Step 1, decide your commission. For digital products, it ranges from 30 to 50%. That's usually the standard. The higher the commission, the more motivated the affiliates. Step number 2, create your affiliate assets. So this is the agreement, the swipe copy, the social media assets and images, and also a clear explanation on how and when they will get paid. Step number 3, start with relationships. Think about all your past clients, your students, peers, and collaborators who already trust you. That's your first affiliate list. Step number 4, set clear expectations. How long should they promote? What channels? What's required before the live event? Put it all in writing. And finally, step number 5, use a platform that handles payouts. Now, I personally use StanStore. Commissions are tracked and paid out automatically. There's no manual work. You do not need 10 affiliates to get started. You just need one good one. One affiliate partner, 75% of my sales. That's the power of borrowing someone else's audience. If your digital products aren't selling, maybe it's not a product problem. Maybe it's a distribution problem. And possibly the right answer is affiliate marketing. If you want to create a digital product worth selling and build a business that doesn't depend on you showing up every day, check out my free guide that's linked in the description. And if you want more videos on digital products, automation, AI, and how to build a business that gives you time freedom, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single week. I'll see you in the next one.